welcome to Ramlahs kitchen. I Ramlah would like to thank all of you all for subscribing. I got about 1,000 subscribers. Thank you a lot. And today I would like to do a new recipe, that is TAUHU SAMBAL. I'm going to show you how to do TAUHU SAMBAL. First, to do TAUHU SAMBAL, I have to fry the tofu. Okay. I'm going to fry the tofu. We have to fry the tofu before we do the sambal. So today I'm doing it because today is Thursday and most of my customers are vegetarian, so I'm doing this TAUHU SAMBAL. So I'll show you how to do. I have 10 pieces of tofu and I'm going to fry. I'm going to fry half up. Okay, we cut half. Meanwhile, waiting for the tofu to fry, I'm going to grind the chilli. Okay. I have 10 pieces of chilli and I'm going to grind this. Actually, this TAUHU SAMBAL is very simple. Okay, now I will grind. Now see whether the tofu is fried or not. Okay, still the tofu didn't fry. Wait for it to fry. When the tofu fry, it will come up by itself. That's how we know whether the tofu is fried. Wait for it to fry a little bit more. Still soft. Okay, now the tofu is already fried, so I'm dishing it out. I'm going to fry the next one, another 5. Okay, now I have this tofu. Now this tofu I'm going to make sambal. Okay. Can use the same oil. Okay, 1 spoon oil. I have to put 1 spoon of oil. Okay, a little bit extra. Okay, 1/2 spoon of oil. Okay, I have to put this BB. Okay, then I'm putting some dry chili. Okay, dry chili. Coriander and mint leaf. Okay. Then I'm putting some curry leaves. Okay, curry leaves. Put some curry leaves. Now stir. Meanwhile stirring, I'm going to take 1 spoon of the ginger garlic paste. I think you all know my paste, the same ginger garlic paste. Pour here. Then you take this chili that I grind. Okay. Okay. Now I'm putting a little bit of this sauce serum, oyster sauce, a little bit of the tomato sauce. Okay. Little bit of the chili sauce. I'm putting 1 spoon or 2 spoons of yogurt. I'm putting tomato puree 2 spoon. Okay. I'm putting this chili with the stick. I'm putting this chili inside. Okay. Then I'm putting 1 spoon of chili powder. Now I have to stir. Meanwhile, waiting for it to boil, I add in the salt, a pinch of salt, a little bit of sugar, rasa, black pepper, and okay, now taste and see whether everything is enough. Yeah, all is enough. Meanwhile, waiting for it to boil, I have to put in some tomatoes. Okay, I'm cutting tomatoes. I can put about 2 to 3 tomatoes. Okay. 2 to 3 tomatoes. Onions, you can put about 3 onions. Okay. Onions. Okay. Okay. Now I already put onion. Now we must make this to come thick. This is the way that different people do different way, but this is my style, my way of doing TAUHU sambal, and this I do in the stall, and my customers like this TAUHU sambal. Okay, now I think you all can see the sambal. Now you can see it's boiling. Okay, now you all can see it boiling. Okay, now I'm going to put all the tofu inside. Okay, now the TAUHU sambal is ready, done, and I'm going to dish it out. I think you all have seen me doing this TAUHU sambal, and I think you all will try it, and I hope you all try and give me your feedback. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Okay.